One way to get dewy skin is to have a hot flash, but the way that I like to do it for my clients, being that I'm a makeup artist and beauty expert of over 25 years, is to give them something I call Spa Glow Foundation. Well, what's that, you ask? Well, stay tuned, because this is part of the Beauty Over 40 Refresh series, in which I am giving you professional tips and tricks that adds to your radiance every single day for a more mature face. So we're talking aesthetically and energetically. I have a very natural approach, so there's no filters, no fillers here. Let's reverse to where I didn't have any foundation on. I got my redness, my hyperpigmentation, and my pores, and the whole thing. I've already done skincare for today, but if I want to add that extra spa glow to my makeup, I have to mix in a little bit of hydrosol first. That just helps prep the skin to receive oil and foundation and stay hydrated looking. Now for the next step, you're gonna grab a facial oil and your foundation, and you're gonna mix them. I am using the Luxe Marula oil. It's wildcrafted. It's up to 78% oleic acid, which is one of the things that depletes from our skin as we get older. It's really important to put it back if you want beautiful hydrated skin. And I'm just putting a couple drops into the palm of my hand like this, and then taking my foundation and doing not even a whole pump, like a half a pump. This is a clean hand, of course. I'm gonna mix it around, and then I'm gonna use it to start applying. It really has a lot of slip, and it can move around a lot easier, and it looks more like a tinted moisturizer. I really prefer my makeup to look very natural, like it's just the skin that's there. If I feel like I need a little bit more coverage, I'll just go straight back with the foundation and spot apply. Now, the other thing I like about this marula oil is that it's non-greasy. If you're planning on wearing eye makeup, even mascara, don't put any of the oil on your eyelids, because it'll mix with that and break it down. You can see the skin is more radiant, more hydrated looking, nothing over the top. You can adjust it by putting in more or less oil, and try it out. Let me know how it goes in the comments. If you bump up into any challenges, ask a question and I'll do my best to answer. Also, there's another video in this series. I hope you will stay tuned for that, because I've got lots of fun and fabulous tricks for being over 40.